How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a new build for the channel. It's a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. And if you are new to the channel and you like seeing these kind of auction builds and us repairing them, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications for more awesome builds. And now we got the spare tire on the truck and we got it moving around, so it's pretty much a run and drive. And this tire was actually good, we just had to get it back on the bead. So yeah, here it is. Pretty much the whole front end is clapped on the truck. Took a bit of an undercarriage, I would say, but I don't see like the frame rails, like the extensions and everything, those still look fine, but we are gonna have to disassemble everything. So it looks like we need pretty much the whole front end, the hood, the grill. It's bad. It's got a few cracks in it right over there, and then it's cracked right up here, but it's pretty clean inside the engine bay. Dang.
Everything else pretty much, like the cooling assembly, all that's fine.
Yeah, pretty much it's a run and drive. We got the coolant and our radiators are still good, so we have been taking it off the trailer and we could run the truck. It doesn't sound too bad. Yeah, so it looks like we need 2 new fenders, and then also it did get the door right here. There's some damage on the door, but we are going to be fixing this. And then what we didn't notice on the auction pictures, this was sight unseen, I didn't really notice this right here, but the actual glass in the back is still good, so that kind of sucks. And then there's also some damage on the roof, so this is the kind of stuff that you don't see on the pictures. So it's got some scratches right over here. We're probably going to end up having to blend into the bed. It's got some damage over here as well, but yeah, not a bad looking truck. It just sucks about that roof damage. Pretty clean overall. The bumper's got some damage right over here as well. This is the better side of the truck. The only thing I don't know is that mud guard right over there. Probably need to get a new one of those. I like the cover up here as well. The only airbags we need on the inside would be the 2 roof bags, and we're also gonna have to take that headliner off to repair that damage up there. So that's what we've been working on. Let's go ahead and give this thing a cold start. I thought this right here was a navigation, but I guess it's not. So check that out, no check engine light. So all we have is that airbag light. Go ahead and dismiss that and check the mileage. Yeah, so I can't really figure it out, but I do think it's got 85,000 miles. But I kind of like the cluster, looks pretty neat for 2014. Oh, it's got the heated seats too.
Heated and cooled seats.
Oh, and the AC is working. That is sick. So our condenser and everything is good. That's pretty awesome. And it is the 4x4 edition, and I do like the brown leather and the trim panels. So we did already go ahead and get started on the roof liner. We got 2 roof airbags that are deployed, and we're still gonna have to take this headliner off to repair the damage right over there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump on the headliner, and then we'll jump on the front end and get us a parts list going. We'll disassemble everything, find out what we need, and then we'll probably start the repairs on, or just get the truck on the frame. Alright guys, so quick update on the progress. We got the front bumper off, but yeah, it doesn't look like there's any like undercarriage damage. It was just that one shield that took a little hit, but everything else checks out fine. So right now we're gonna go ahead and jump on these fenders, and as you guys know, it's kind of part of the wheel well as well, so you have to take all this off I've already got the fuse box all disconnected. And then I don't know what that is. I guess that's for a second battery if this truck needs it. I don't know.
Bruno, what you doing? You checking out the damages?
Oh, yeah. Like, here's our inspector right here. He's doing a mighty fine job telling us what kind of parts we need. So he's saying that this shroud is the only thing that's busted, and it does come separate. I'm gonna guess around $70 on that, somewhere around there. But the main thing he's letting us know is that there's no frame damage, and he's saying that the radiators are good too.
Is that right, Bruno?
He did a pressure test on those.
Yes, yeah, sir. Oh, now he's going to check the control arms. He's going to check out all the axles and control arms here on this side. He's saying those are fine. We're going to have to go...
no, he's saying, you see the tail movement? He's saying that frame damage over here. He's saying that the control arm is bent about 2 inches in. Check out this side for him. Get over here. This side he's saying is okay, but he can't really get a good measurement. It needs to be on the frame.
Yeah, so we got Bruno the inspector.
So pretty much already got the fender off. Check this out.
Yes, sir.
It's just, it's got 2 rivets right here, and it's part on the hinge. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that off or rivet those out. Fender will be pretty much ready to come off, and this is gonna open everything up. After we get all this disassembled, we're probably gonna jump on that roof or the cab section and getting that area ready.
Battery out. Next thing I'm gonna do is the coolant reservoir. But check out that air filter right there. That thing is like brand new right there.
Yeah, that's a brand new air filter. Look at that. I think you need to get like a Can-Am or
see
like
if you can get that. See if you can get that box out. I was having a little trouble with it.
Oh, it just pops in.
Yeah, but I think.
Oh, you're saying there's not enough room?
What you doing, buddy?
There you go.
Oh man, he got it out.
And they just got the vent right here, so pretty much when the fender crushed, it's kind of messed that up. But that's the cool thing about these trucks, or the wheel well and the fender is like all one assembly, so none of that has to be straightened out. I want to make sure I've got everything because this thing is coming off. Oh yeah, Bruno, look at what's, oh, I got one more bolt. He's telling me I got one more bolt. Give me a 10 real quick on that impact. He's being a helper today. Oh. Gotta be careful with this sharp metal. It can cut you. There we go. Watch out, Bruno.
Boom, we got one down and one more to go.
Yep. Alright guys, so we got both fenders off. Bruno's still inspecting the damage, letting us know everything is looking good. You're gonna throw that battery on there?
Yeah, I want to be able to move the truck around and stuff, you know?
Yeah, so that's pretty much everything we could do on the front end. Like we have to unbend these brackets right here, but they're gonna go really easy. That's part of the radiator support. But everything else looks nice and straight. And so right now I'm gonna go ahead and jump on this side since we do have a lot of body work on the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this door. Kind of doesn't make too much sense to me on how this truck was wrecked because we do have that damage right there on the roof. But yeah, for now, let me go ahead and get this grinder with the wire brush. Let's go ahead and get started and bust out some of this body work. right there on the edge.
Oh, this thing is about to go like the beast. This thing's gonna probably have a can of Bondo on it.
And you're the man for that.
Boom. Man, that thing's coming out good.
Oh yeah, it's looking really good. Looking at it from this side. Come on, one more time. Now it's gonna need a slight layer of Bondo and then probably some glazing, and that'll be back to OEM right there. All right guys, so quick update on the progress. We ran out of daylight. I hate the winter for that reason. So now the windshield, guys. Sit on the dash. Here you go.
Yes, sir.
It's out, boys.
Gonna hop onto this rear one. There we go, boys. Rear glass is out.
We got it. Without breaking it. There's the man. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap for this episode. We just got this truck delivered to us today and we made a whole lot of progress on it. We got the whole front end all disassembled and we got a good parts list going for that. We also started on all the body work. We got some Bondo on there, but we do have to go back and sand all this. And I really wanted to get some primer on it, but we do have some plans with the boys. So we're just gonna call it an early night and go chill for a little bit. And I do still have to edit the video out. So with all that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support. And if you are new on the channel and you like what you see, us buying these salvage cars and rebuilding them, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Follow us on Instagram at DannyTV. The link will be in the description. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions down in the comments. And if we have any Chevy guys out there, be sure to drop a fat like on this video. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and I'll catch you in the next one.